guys, welcome back to Gelato app. For today's video, we are going to show you Gelato Print On Demand tutorial. So we are going to show you how to integrate Gelato into your Shopify store. So this is going to be for beginners. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, we all know that Gelato here is a platform for creating products. So meaning you could basically create your products through the use of templates or even through the use of different products that is available here. So you can create your own design and even connect this to other platforms like Wix or even Shopify, which in this case, our target is going to be Shopify. So for us to integrate Gelato into our Shopify store, what we need to do is we need to basically install the actual app. In this case, go to your settings at the bottom left. From here, you want to go to Apps and Sales Channel. And from here, click on Shopify App Store at the top right. Now from here, what we need to do is we just need to type in the following, which is going to be Gelato. Press and enter. And from here, you should be able to see the Gelato Print On Demand. Let's go and click on it. Let's go and click on Install. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to go ahead and click on the Install button. Now, from here, what we need to do is we need to actually follow the following steps that we'll be seeing on our screen, which involves logging in into your Gelato account for you to actually connect your Shopify account. So this might take a few seconds or a few minutes to load up, but once it's actually available, you should be able to see, congratulations, you have successfully connected your stores. In this case, you can go ahead and click on either automatically or manually, which in this case allows you to actually import orders. So if you want to use manually, you could go ahead, but it is actually suggested that you use the automatically option here. You could go ahead and click on connect your products or click on create new product. Now from here, you should be able to see your stores in here. Now, in this case, you could go ahead and go to your product catalogs. And from here, you could go ahead and click on create product at the top right. From here, just click on single product. Now, from here, what we need to do is we need to select the store that we actually added for this one. So in this case, you could go ahead and click on view store just to confirm what are the details or the products that you have right now. So again, go ahead and do that. So in this case, I already have this store here. Let's go ahead and choose this one, add product, click on single product. And from here, choose the appropriate ones here. So I'm going to create a men's clothing here. I want to use embroidery here. And from here, maybe I want to use the basic one here, which is the bestseller. And from here, we want to start designing, which in this case involves adding your own design and colors into it. So in this case, you could go ahead and add your photos. So in this case, I have this photo already. Let's go ahead and choose this one. But if you want to upload yours, you could go ahead and click on choose file here and choose my device to upload your own photo. In this case, we can resize this as much as we can, as long as it's actually within the square in here. Now, from here, once you've done that, you can go ahead and click on to continue to mockups, but make sure to add or basically design it as much as you can until you're satisfied. In this case, you should be able to see different mockups for this one. So in this case, you can go and select the mockups that is available. So in this case, we are going to only use this one. Let's go ahead and click on the download button here. Either choose JPEG or PNG. Now in this case, go and click on download. And from here, it's going to say try this feature. So in this case, it's going to give you an option to get their free trial here to try the premium features for Gelato here. Let's go and click on continue to details. And you should be able to add the descriptions as well as the title itself, the sizes here, just to confirm a few things. Yeah, so in this case, care instructions, settings if you want to. But once you've added or basically added all the details, description, and title here, go and click on continue to prices, and you should be able to add or specify your prices. Now, in this case, you should be able to change prices depending on the actual variance that is available here. So in this case, you could also set profit margins here. So in this case, by default, it's going to be in percentage. So you could actually type the amount. So 50% for the profit margin here. Now, since this is just an example, I'm going to go with the whole prices that is available here. But again, if you want to customize the prices, go and do that. Let's go and click on continue to review. It should give you some ideas on what is the pricing for it, what is the estimated profit for the product itself, the retail price, the size for it. So in this case, let's go ahead and click on publish. Now, by the way, if you want to save this as a template for later use, like for example, if you plan on creating a similar kind of product later on, you could go and click on save as template, and you should be able to save some time on the whole thing, especially if you have a lot of customizations on the product itself. But in this case, you go and click on publish here to publish your product, and as you can see, it's now going to be published on that specific store. Now, in this case, once it's actually published, it should be available in your Shopify store. So in this case, it's going to say waiting to be published. So this might take a while, but once you're back into your Shopify store and going back to your products, you should be able to see it in here. Once again, you just need to wait for it to be published. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elon App. Thank you for watching.